Show you some more cardboard jewelry. Like these earrings you can make out of cardboard. All you do is you cut different shapes out of cardboard. So you have different pieces. And to make it different, thickness, you then glue them together. So in the case with these earrings, you could just do one layer and then just use nail polish. And these are earrings that you can make so different shapes. Like this, and you can make like different shapes. So if you wanted to make sure the two shapes match, you would just cut or draw around it and cut it to make sure it's the same same size and the same shape. So you could just cut it together. So these are like all different ideas you can use to make different earrings. I also wanted to show you how once you have like toilet paper jewelry, if you don't use, wait, let me just pause this for one moment. So with the toilet paper jewelry, if you don't know what colors you want to make it, and you can use markers, you can use pen, you could do it with, this is with paper mache. So this is a toilet paper, but you could use like newspaper, soak it, and you can always check on YouTube to find out exactly, how to do it. But you can leave it plain so that later on, if you want to use it for a different craft or a different idea, it's plain. So you could just make it and just keep it someplace so that when you're ready, you can use it later. I wanted to show you this also. I'm going to pause this and show you something else. So you can do like, for Halloween, you have costumes and you need something like kind of fancy, but it's expensive. I think I was watching the news and I was watching something. They said something about how expensive Halloween is. It is an expensive thing. So if you need like a fancy outfit and you don't have jewelry for it, make it out of toilet paper. And so this is a necklace that I made. I don't know if it's coming up because of my camera, but let me see if I can get a candle. Okay. You see that? So could you imagine at Halloween you have this necklace on? Look at that. And it's shiny. And you can do what you want with the decoration and how it works out. So this would be like a great costume. You see that? And even like at with candlelight, it looks interesting. So you can, it doesn't have to be that expensive. I'm going to show you something else. So based on what you're wearing for Halloween or just in general, you can make something like this. This is a choker. It's just a piece of ribbon. And this is cardboard with a magazine. You know how you get the catalogs, free catalogs. So this is like absolutely free. Used cardboard, garbage that you would normally throw out. Create a shape. Put a magazine page on it with some glue. Then paint over it with some clear nail polish and you have a choker. Let me show you how this would look at Halloween. So you can get that kind of look that looks like you spent money for it when it's free. It's just leftover stuff. So that's one thing I wanted to show you. I also want to show you this bracelet. This is made out of paper. So here's just it's a paper bead bracelet with some elastic. And if you don't have elastic, I use the old type of dental floss that doesn't have the wax on it, just cheap. So you can make a whole costume worth of jewelry without spending money on getting jewelry. Let me see if there's anything else I can show you. So I was showing you the earrings before. This is out of a tissue box. And sometimes